Brielle's got hiccups. What happened? What's going on? Hiccup, hiccup. Tell Mommy what's happening. What's happening? You were just talking up a storm. Oh! Did you just poop your pants? Obviously didn't get rid of your hiccups though.